This video is going to be slightly more serious than my other videos. A young man, he's been increasing his value. He's been working out, he's been making more money. And finally, he's getting more female attention. Finally, women are looking at him. But something's wrong. Something is wrong. His brother is in pain. We live in a world where it's quite hedonistic, where it's all me, me, me. But you have to seriously ask yourself, is that the kind of person you want to be? No, seriously, ask yourself. If it is, then fair enough. But chances are, if you're watching this video, you are somewhat similar to me. And you might act tough, but you actually do care about the people around you. And you only want them to, you only want to see, you only want to see them succeed. You understand what pain feels like. And you don't want your people around you to feel pain. Or at least you don't want them to go through it alone. There's someone you know right now who's going through hell. It might have been you at some point. Hell, it might still be you. But there's someone you know that's going through hell. It might be even in silence. So I tell you this video, go talk to your boys. Call them up, let them know you'll appreciate them. Let them know you care, man. I was just thinking, if my friends were to kick the bucket, man, that would suck, man. It would more than suck, it would destroy me. And I truly care about my people, man. You know what? I'm gonna call them right now. These sons of bitches. Man, fuck this video, bro. Fuck these guys. Like, who do they think they are? Not answering my phone call. Alright, so some time has passed, and I'm gonna call him again. Hey, man.
I'm making my album cover, bro. I'm on my grind. What's up?
I love you, bro.
I love you too, Dan.
And I appreciate you, man.
I appreciate you.
You may kiss. Alright, bro. Take care, man. Good luck on your album cover.
Alright, thanks, man. I'm in disc if you need to talk.
Alright, I will pull up in like an hour or two. Well, I will pull up and stay for an hour or two. So.
Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna. Bro. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Alright, bro.
Alright. Love you more.
What a gay. What a simp. But yeah, feel free to follow and subscribe if you like content like this. I don't know, but yeah, feel free to enjoy. Oh, well, I hope you enjoyed the video.